Business lunch.
Enjoy.
Enjoy also.
Good afternoon everybody, and back in the main bathroom today. I'm actually on top of the ladder, about to put some light fittings on top of the cupboard units in here. Yeah, the plumber's just been and he's going to come and put the radiator back on the wall in here. There's the door frame to paint. It's like a gloss paint around the wooden door. So I've bought the gloss paint and that just needs a light sand, and then I can paint that. There's a little bit of a gap between the door frame and the tiles, which needs a bit of a trim. So when I go to the DIY store next time, I just need to buy some probably plastic or wooden trim just to go in the gap and fill the gap, and that can be either just glued on or silicone round. And I think that's about it for the main bathroom then. It just needs a little bit of tidying up, just some edges and some detailing, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's all coming together. So the job this afternoon is to put an uplighter above the cupboards. So we've got some downlighters on the unit above the sink, and this light is not to be seen, but it will shine upwards onto the ceiling, and then the light will bounce back off the white ceiling and give a little bit more light in the bathroom. So that's what this is for, because we don't have a main central light in the bathroom because it was too difficult for the channeling to be done. So hopefully that will make it a little bit brighter in here, even though it's not too bad anyway. So yeah, get on.
Oh God. Normally where the TV is falling down. Very loud paper. Yeah, I think there's also very big TV, yeah?
Yeah.
Cinema room, not a
reading room. Yeah. And the sleeping room, eh, Rocky? Trying to sleep.
Enough. Okay, good boy. No, and we don't want him watching out of the window. Heating system, or heaters in. Heating system is on, but not everywhere we have heating. Warm here. Andrew's doing the German pasta salad. Rocky is watching carefully.
Patricia. She's coming for dinner. Patricia's coming.
Inspection. Ciao. You need the bolt, huh?
Sorry?
You need the bolt?
Allora, is connected?
So we have Patricia here. Patricia 1, Patricia 2, and Patricia 3. We have Andrew. So we have Patricia's sisters here from Canada. Welcome. That's not the ice cream cake, or?
No.
Nothing for you, Rocky. Nothing. You have to be careful that you're not getting eaten by the neighbors.
Rocky, nobody's gonna eat you, okay?
Not in Italy, but in America it can happen. Somebody said.
Okay, beautiful.
It's good. Looks,
Different, huh? A little bit different.
yeah, looks a bit like an ice cream cake. Saturday, trash down day. Let's bring it down. Not only filming, also working.
You've just told me to film. Fine by me. You can do 20 minutes if you want.
What?
Longer.
Make a 20-minute video.
You collecting wood. Make sure you pick all the pieces up.
Say again?
Make sure you pick all the pieces up.
I will. It will be like new here.
Can't wait to see that one.
Faster, faster,
Pasta?
faster. Come. Show me what's done.
What is that? Bathroom or bedroom?
Bathroom.
So, plumber was here yesterday and fitted the shower. It's very close to the ceiling, huh?
I know, I was calculating it.
Shower tray is in and the silicone is done.
Yeah, and why we have some holes here, huh?
There's another story there.
Yeah.
Sink I like. Yeah.
No, it's not high-end quality, this one. But
Yeah, I like the sink top. It's nice. It's working, yeah. And the bidet. The water bowl, Rocky. Oh yeah, it's a big And just the toilet to put in, but we've got to move this pipe down to there. So we have to take this tile out and then cut down.
yeah, we're doing it now, huh?
Yeah.
It's already painted.
Yeah, decorated.
Very nice.
Some more water, Rocky.
No, not from here. Yeah, very nice. And which mirror are we putting on here? The black one, or we have another one from the slimmer one from downstairs, from the...
Decide to...
Yeah. Maybe the slimmer one. Yeah, we can decide.
Yeah, there's some damage on that one though.
That's a new one.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
I hope there's no
Yeah,
damage.
that's in the box. Shouldn't be damaged.
California waves, huh?